y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we finally are doing our Boxycharm unboxing. We're going to be doing the base box versus the premium, and we're going to see which box is better than the other. I would assume this one's going to be better because, well, this is the $35 box and this is the $25 box, but this box has outbeat this one. I haven't always done versus videos, but when I compare the boxes during the months, this one can win sometimes. So we're gonna see who wins this month, who will come out on top, base box or premium. So if you are into these types of videos, then give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So I want to say that I have some thoughts on the Fenty Boxycharm little collab they're doing next month. So if you want me to make a video on my thoughts on all that, and I'm not feeling it as much as I was hoping that I would feel it. Like, I was like really excited and now I'm like, oh. So if you guys want to hear my thoughts and the info and the facts, then let me know in the comments and I will make that video. So yeah. Also, I want to update you again on the Teami Skinny Tea. I know you guys hate me when I talk about the tea, but this stuff has been so good to my body and not making me want to eat as much and, you know, helping me on the healthy journey that I am on. You guys know I talked about it last time, and those of you who have been using the skinny tea have been loving it and your body has been thanking you. So good. We are twins. We are getting in shape, getting fit, getting healthy, and also maybe shedding a pound or two. Anyways, I want to talk about this. This is the Teami Greens. This is the superfood blend with matcha, spirulina, is that how you say it? And wheatgrass. So this is kind of like as if you go to the grocery store and you have like a green juice, except for those are really expensive. And this, you just take a scoop and put it in your water, a hot water so it can dissolve, or you can add it to like a smoothie or like to oatmeal or any kind of food like that. And you're getting those superfoods like you want them. Kind of like avocados are a superfood. This is something that really just like gives you natural energy and like kickstarts your day. So it looks like this. It's just a green powder and you have a scoop and it's one scoop. You only want to drink it once a day. It says, yeah, smoothie, juice, or water. It has 16 superfood ingredients, 100% plant-based. It's vegan, GMO-free, gluten-free, dairy, and soy-free. And it's made without fillers or additives, artificial flavors, artificial colors, and artificial chemicals. So if you guys are interested in this, I have a link down below. You can go check it out. If you want anything off of the Teami site, I have coupon codes. You can save 25% with code CONNOR25 if you spend $34 or more, or if you spend 24 or more, you can do CONNOR20 and get 20% off, but mostly your orders are going to be around the $34-$35 range, so you can get more off that way. But I've been really liking it, so I just wanted to update you guys that I've been drinking this, and I've been drinking it just with water right now. I just made this. I just re-cleaned my cup because it was dirty from my skinny tea. I got a new tumbler too. It's cute. I have been drinking this all week just with water. It's an acquired taste. If you don't like anything green, you're not gonna like this, but I've been liking it. I'm gonna go to the store this weekend, the grocery store, and do my like super grocery shopping, and I'm gonna pick up some ingredients for a smoothie, like some spinach, cucumber, apple juice, stuff like that, so I can make a little smoothie with this. And it's actually like really freaking good. Again, if you like green things or green juice, you're gonna like this. It's really good, and if you're vegan, this is something good for you because it's vegan. So anyways, I just wanted you guys to know that little update, and I will update you guys at the end of the month and let you guys know how I am liking that. So let's get into Boxycharm. Here is the base box. Do we want to do base box or premium first? I kind of want to see what's in the premium first, just because I know there's an hourglass blush in here and I'm like really stoked. So let's open up this one first and see what we got. So this month's theme is Adore, and this is going to tell me all the information that I need with prices and whatnot. So, okay, we got some good stuff in here. All right, so the first thing, of course, is the Hourglass Ambient Blush. So excited for this. This has a retail value of $40. Now we're gonna see if this is made in PRC or anything like that. Nope, it's made in Italy. So this isn't one of those like falsely advertised kind of products. So that's good to know. Here is the Hourglass. It looks like mine has a little bit of something gross, like the sticker came up, but here we have the blush. I'm so excited. Oh, and it's such a nice, pretty soft blush. Like you can't even see it. This is the kind of blush that I love. So I'm so excited to have an Hourglass blush. This is in Diffused Heat. So excited about this. And then we have the Tarte Base Tape. This is from the Double Duty Beauty line. This is a hydrating primer. I saw this on sale not long ago on Ulta or Sephora. I think I want to say it was like $21. This has a retail value of $30. And here we have it. Here is the primer. It smells coconutty. Let me see. 12-hour hydration, coconut infused, smooths appearance, extends wear foundation. Okay, so a little bit's gonna go a long way. It's definitely liquidy. Like it spreads like butter, I can tell you that. So a little bit is going to go a long way. And it smells really good. It smells just like my other primer from what is it? ColourPop, not Fourth Grade Beauty, but same thing. But I am going to try that out. Then we have something from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This has a retail value of $28. So here is the bottle here, and let's just give it a smell test. It smells really good. It smells really good. Okay, so I'm excited about this and to give that a try. Here I have the Sutra Beauty Ceramic Flat Iron. This was my choice that I picked. I really wanted the flat iron over the palette, so I got this. I haven't had a new flat iron in a very long time. Hopefully it works well because I did not like that curling iron we got from Sutra Beauty in one of the last BOXY Luxe. That one was from I think September, but this one actually feels like really nice in the hand, and it feels heavy, like it's gonna be like really nice to use. So I don't ever straighten my hair. I haven't done it in a very long time, but I wanted a new one to have it for when I do decide to straighten my hair. And it has a retail value of $79.99. Insane, but it makes sense. Curling irons and like flat irons are very expensive. This is from Corez. This is a coconut guava body butter. I don't really care about like lotions or whatnot. I know my boyfriend does, so he's gonna really like this. This has a retail value of $32. Let's give it a smell. Oh, there's actually a safety seal on here. I'm very impressed. Oh, that smells so good. It actually smells so familiar to me, but I cannot think of what it smells like. But yeah, this is what it is, and I know my boyfriend's gonna really like that. The last thing in the box is the 24 karat gold foil moisturizer. I almost want to say I've seen this brand at TJ Maxx, but I'm not 100% sure. It's made in China, it says, and it has a retail value of $100. I was seeing some sort of drama about this. I don't know what it is. I don't know the new drama that's come out about Boxycharm. I just haven't watched it yet. So if you guys want to link me some videos, then please do. But apparently there's some drama behind this, and I don't know what it is. So if you know it, then please let me know. I just want to open it and give it a little smell. The box feels nice. Oh wow, I actually really like this container. It looks so nice, and it's like glass. And it feels heavy. Like it feels like it could be $100, but we just have to figure out the ingredients and look them all up to see if it's even really worth it. And it says there's really actually gold in here, which is insane. Like little flecks of gold, which I do see. It smells nice, so I'm gonna have to figure out what is up with this product and all of that so I can be in the know, because I don't know. But anyways, this is that, and that was the premium box. I'm actually pretty impressed. I really like this box. So yeah, good job, Boxycharm. I like this one. Now let's jump into the base box and see what is in here. So there's not a card in here, so I don't know the prices, but this box is very underwhelming. Like I am not impressed at all. Like, okay, let's just get into it. So I have the Becca foundation here. I picked it out. I got it in the shade Linen. I don't know if it's even like my shade completely. I picked the best one that I thought would go for me. Like I pre-looked it up. And I heard people were actually having problems with this. I feel like this is gonna be like yellow, but that's okay. I can just mix it. Is that how you take this off? No, probably not. Okay, let's just see what this is about. Oh wow, this smells like, oh, what does it smell like? This smells like a certain section of like Home Depot. I don't know. Have you ever gone to Home Depot and you just smell this certain smell and it reminds you of Home Depot? This smells and reminds me of Home Depot. It feels like it's going to be very heavy on my skin, but again, I'm gonna have to try it and see how it feels. But it doesn't really soak into the skin very well. And it definitely looks like it's gonna give me cake face. Like it almost looks like no matter what I do, I'm gonna have streaks. Like I don't even know. I don't know. It looks good on camera, but it does not look good in person. So we're gonna have to try this and see what the deal is, because it's, I don't think I'm gonna like that just based off of that. Let me just get it off my hand. Okay, so the next thing in here are some wipes. So you get these Evio Skin X Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. It's an itty bitty little packet of wipes. I was not impressed the last time we got wipes. I wound up giving them away. I don't really like that personally, but here's the thing that is like kind of weird to me. I got wipes and then I got facial radiance pads. So wipes and pads. I think that's a little much, don't you think? Am I exaggerating? I don't know. Am I being picky? Probably, but I just think that's a little much. So this is to help exfoliate, tone, and brighten, and you get 28 pads in here. That's it. So this is kind of a dud. Like you get hardly anything in here, hardly anything in here. I mean, this is a $25 box, so I can't really complain, but, yeah, cool, whatever. Then we have some brushes in here, which I am excited for. Oh, these are from Alamar, right? No, yeah, Alamar. Alamar, yeah, okay, so this is from Alamar. No, I don't want to touch it to my nasty face. Okay, so I'm excited. I really wanted the sponges, but now that I know that these are from Alamar Cosmetics, I'm so pumped for these. Oh, and you know what? They're actually so freaking soft, and I love this little bunny fluff. This is a brightening brush, and then we have a bronzer brush and a complexion brush, and they are so cute, and they feel so nice. I'm so excited about these brushes. Now I don't like feel really sad that I didn't get the sponges. Cool, love these brushes. I think this is the best thing out of the box, honestly. Then the last thing is from Ciate London. This is the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. This is the second time I've gotten a setting powder from Ciate London, except for this one is coconut. Okay, so here is the powder. I'm not gonna open it until like I'm actually ready to use it. But, yeah, we have a coconut setting powder. This box is just kind of weird. Do I really not? Yeah, I don't have a card. That's kind of strange. So that is what I got in these boxes. I think the premium one, I want to say this is like the most underwhelming month I think I've ever gotten from Boxycharm. No, I've had a Boxycharm that I thought was worse than this, but I hope they redeem themselves in March. Well, I know they're not, because I'm not into the Fenty box. Not because it's Fenty. I really want to try Fenty, but it's the products going in the box that I'm just like, really? So you guys, let me know your thoughts. Did you like the boxes? What did you get in your boxes? Am I being dramatic as always? Let me know in the comments down below. Just go down there and give me some like slap emojis if I'm being stupid. But anyways, that is it for the video. If you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.